How to fix CyberGhost VPN for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall CyberGhost VPN for macOS. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall CyberGhost VPN sudo launchctl unload /library /launchdaemons de.cyberghostvpn.service.plist. sudo rmrf/application /cyberghostvpn.app sudo rmrf/library /application support /cyberghostvpn sudo rmrf/library /launchdaemons de.cyberghostvpn.service.plist. sudo rmrf/library /preferences de.cyberghostvpn.helper.plist. sudo rmrf/library /preferences de.cyberghostvpn.plist. sudo rmrf/user/shared/cyberghostvpn echo CyberGhost VPN has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_cyberghost.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_cyberghost.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, CyberGhost VPN should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.